1. Watermelon. Contains citrulline, which can have a Viagra-like effect on blood vessels, potentially enhancing arousal. 2. Bananas. Rich in potassium, which is crucial for heart health and proper blood circulation, promoting better sexual function. 3. Avocado. Packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and potassium, supporting cardiovascular health and boosting energy levels. 4. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, etc. High in antioxidants, which help improve blood flow and may positively impact erectile function. 5. Pomegranate. Known for its antioxidant properties and potential to improve blood flow, supporting sexual health. 6. Dark chocolate. Contains flavonoids that may enhance blood flow and contribute to better sexual function. 7. Spinach. Rich in folate, which can help improve blood flow and boost overall cardiovascular health. 8. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts. Good sources of healthy fats, zinc and arginine, which can support reproductive health and circulation. 9. Oysters. Known for their high zinc content, which is essential for testosterone production and male reproductive health. 10. Asparagus. Contains vitamin E, which may contribute to reproductive health and is a source of folate. Follow for more tips.